So I'm going to trust you, Mr. Lewis, that this is actually Judy Jones and not.
You can do that, Judge. I'll just affirm that she is who she says she is.
Okay, Ms. Jones, is that the signature of Nada Hebert on that will?
Yes, it is.
And after the date she made this will on March 23rd of 2010, did she ever revoke it or amend it?
Oh, no.
All right, go right ahead, Mr. Lewis.
All right. Ms. Jones, have you had a chance to read the proof of death and other facts which I sent to you and which has been filed with the court?
Yes, I have.
And are all the facts contained therein true and correct?
Yes, they are.
And those facts were derived either from you, from your personal knowledge, or from the death certificate, which also you know about the details as well.
Yes, sir.
And are you asking the judge to appoint you as the executrix of your mother's estate?
Yes, I am.
And you're prepared to serve in that capacity, I assume?
Yes, sir.
All right. Judge, we'd ask the court
Yeah.
to bill to probate. And
All right, Ms. Jones. What's going to happen now is you're going to take that proof of death and other facts and the oath that Mr. Lewis had given you. You're going to execute those before a notary public and sign them just exactly as your name appears on there.
Okay.
And then you're going to return those to him. He's going to e-file those with the county clerk. When he does that, I'll sign the order admitting your mother's will to probate and authorizing the county clerk to issue letters testamentary. You use those letters to show your authority to act on behalf of the estate if you need to deal with real estate title companies or financial institutions, insurance companies, anything of that nature. Please make sure that you cooperate with Mr. Lewis in getting him a listing of the assets of your mother's estate, because he has 90 days from the date I signed the order to file an inventory with the court. But I hope everything goes well, and if y'all need anything, just let us know. Mr. Lewis has one more hearing, so I hope you have a wonderful week.
Thank you, Judge.
thank you, Judge. Judy. Judy, we'll be in touch.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we should have Kim Sawyer.
Okay, they're trying to bring her on.
There he is. He just came on. Y'all have got the zoom down pretty much up there, I see.
Well, I don't.
Linda does.
Yes.
Kim, how are you? This is Kim Sawyer, Judge.
Yes, sir. Doing all right.
Doing great.
Judge is going to show you the will of your mama Joyce here in just a second. Ask you to affirm that that's the actual will of your mom.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tanya, if I could get you to raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this cause shall be the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Joyce T. Sawyer. Do you recognize that as being her will?
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to go back to the signature page and ask you if that's her signature on that document.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, and after the date she made this will on February 6th of 2018, did she ever revoke it or amend it?
No, sir.
Okay, go right ahead, Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Sawyer, you state your full name.
Kim Holden Sawyer.
And you're asking the judge to appoint you as the executor of the estate of your mom's estate.
Yes, sir, I am.
Have you had a chance to read a document called Proof of Death and Other Facts, which was filed with the court and copied to you?
Yes, sir. I have.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir, I have.
And are all the facts that are set forth therein true and correct?
Yes, sir.
And you have personal knowledge of all those facts, and we got that information both from you and from the death certificate. And you're asking the judge to appoint you as the executor. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Judge, I'd ask the court to appoint Mr. Sawyer as executor of Joyce Sawyer's estate and to admit the will to probate.
All right, Mr. Sawyer, you'll sign that proof of death and other facts in your oath and deliver those. You'll sign it before a notary public.
Yes, sir.
Then what's going to happen is Mr. Lewis is going to e-file those with the county clerk. When he does that, I'll sign the order appointing you executor of your mother's estate and authorizing the county clerk to issue letters testamentary, and that'll give you authority to act on behalf of the estate. The only favor I'd ask is that you cooperate with Mr. Lewis in providing him a listing of the assets of your mother's estate, because he has 90 days from the date I sign the order to file an inventory with the court, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right,
We'll
well, I
get
hope everything goes
We'll
well.
get
Lewis, let us know if you need anything. Oh, you're a step ahead of me.
we try to get that done before the hearing if possible in most instances.
Well, thank you, and I hope y'all have a great week. Call us if you need anything.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kim.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Larry has three. I'm not sure which one he wants to do first.
Is he on there?
He's joining. It's a little slow today.
Did you swim in today, Judge?
I did. Well, I was running late because I'm trying to deal with Experian. Because somebody credit made an application for paycheck protection program money with Small Business Administration.
Right.
Or if I need to call, I've got this and then at 10 o'clock with, oh, Lord.
Opened up
Good. Okay. Who do you need, Judge?
You can either go with DeVore or Attaway.
I think I'll go with Attaway with your permission first. Hey, Nina, would you send Jason? Hey. Here you go, right here in the hot seat. Jason Kemp, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Nina, would you close that? Just, oh yeah, bring your stamp and close that door, please, ma'am. Here's our official document signing. And he's gonna swear you in.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you
Okay.
hear us?
You'll raise your right hand, please.
Yes.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir. I do.
Okay, Mr. Kemp, I'm gonna hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Linda E. Attaway. Do you recognize that as being her will?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go to the signature page and ask you if that's her signature on that document.
Yes, sir, it is.
And after the date she made this will on September 16th of 2020, did she ever revoke it or amend it?
No, sir.
Okay, go right ahead, Mr. Dowden.
Thank you, Judge. You're Jason Kemp, that true? Yes, sir. And Mr. Kemp here today regarding the state of you and your wife's very close friend, Linda E. Attaway. Is that true? Yes, sir. And I understand Ms. Attaway passed away on or about March 4th of this year. Is that true? Yes, sir. And you've previously identified Ms. Attaway's last will and testament for Judge Brannick. Is that true? Yes, sir. Have you had an opportunity, Mr. Kemp, to look over the proof of death and other facts that we're filing with the court today? Yes, sir. Is everything in that document within your knowledge and true and correct? Yes, sir, it is. And you're going to sign an oath of an independent executor. You assure the court that you'll take care of the affairs of Linda's estate to the best of your ability. Is that true? Yes, sir. Judge, that's all we have unless you need anything further. And I think you sign this.
Notary, Mr. Dowden?
Yes, sir. We'll have it notarized. Nina. You want to sign? If you, yeah. Just like we have. Jason, would you sign above there again, please, for Jason, so you can. Nina. Oh, that is. Is that it? Okay. That's it. That's Jason C. Kemp. I'll take your word for it. Nina. That's how I do. Judge Brannick said he didn't want the notaries holding things up this morning. Okay. the roof fixed. Okay, if you'll stamp, that's your signature on those documents, right?
Yes, sir.
All righty. And we have a roof leak at 1217 Needleland Avenue this morning, Judge.
Well, this would be the morning you have it.
That's the truth, huh?
I'm late getting started on my hearings because I was waiting out in the parking lot to get out of my vehicle.
Oh, Lord, what a mess.
Yeah, but we need the rain.
Well, I guess we do, yeah. And when you take Jason to Tina's office, would you send Angie and Dina this away, please?
This is done.
We're done. Okay, Judge, we've got the documents, the proof and the oath signed. Here you go, bud. If you'll, well, he's gonna get with you for just a second.
Sign the order admitting Ms. Attaway's will to probate and authorizing the county clerk to issue letters testamentary. You'll use those letters to show your authority to act on behalf of the estate if you need to deal with real estate title companies or financial institutions or whatever. Please make sure that you cooperate with Mr. Dowden because he's got 90 days to file an inventory with the court and he'll need a listing of the assets of the estate from you in order to do that, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all have a great week. Let me
Hey,
know.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
she'll
you.
get you, she'll get you your EIN number, so.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get my ladies, Judge.
All right.
And Judge, did you want to go, Mom, this is Mom and Dad, the divorce, and Ms. DeVore passed away first in November of last year and Mr. DeVore in March of this year. Do you have a preference on which case first?
No, you're not doing a muniment on either one of them, so
No,
we can-
sir.
whatever order you want.
Okay, great. We'll take Mom first. Come on in and have a seat. We're gonna do Mom first. Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Andrews.
Good morning.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna swear you in both cases and we're gonna do both of them at the same time. So I'm gonna, if you'll raise your right hand, I'm gonna swear you in cause number 125048, the estate of Doris C. DeVore, and cause number 125049, the estate of Hugh D. DeVore. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in these two causes that are here under consideration shall be the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Okay. Mrs. Andrews, I'm going to hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Doris DeVore. Do you recognize that as being her will?
Yes, sir.
And is that her signature on that document?
Yes, sir.
And after March 19th of 2018, the date she made this will, did she ever revoke it or amend it?
No.
And I am going to hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Hugh D. DeVore. Do you recognize that as being his will?
Yes, sir.
And likewise, is that his signature on that document?
Yes, sir. Hmm.
And did he ever revoke it or amend it after the date this will was made?
No.
Okay, go right ahead.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Andrews, as to your mom's estate, Doris C. DeVore, I understand that she passed away on or about November 6th of last year. Is that true?
Yes.
And you've previously identified her last will and testament. Have you had an opportunity to look over the proof of death and other facts that were filing with the court this morning in your mom's estate.
Yes,
Is everything in that document within your knowledge and true and correct?
yes,
And you assure Judge Brannick you'll take care of the affairs of the estate to the best of your ability. Is that true?
yes,
Okay, and as to Dad's estate, I understand that Dad, Hugh DeVore, passed away on or about March 9th of this year. Is that true?
yes,
And you've previously identified his last will and testament. Have you had an opportunity to look over the proof of death and other facts that we're filing in your father's case, Hugh DeVore?
yes,
Is everything in that document within your knowledge and true and correct?
yes,
And you assure the court that you will take care of the affairs of his estate to the best of your ability. Is that true?
yes.
All righty. That's all we have, Judge, unless you need anything further.
Notarize her, are you gonna notarize her proof?
We're doing that right now, Judge. Okay, and then on Mom's. Yes, ma'am.
Other one is the, yeah. Where she's not in this. Father's estate.
We're gonna do a unit in the father.
Oh, yeah, on this.
Okay.
Okay. So what's gonna happen, as soon as those are notarized, I will sign the order admitting the wills to probate, authorize the county clerk to issue letter testamentary in each of those cases. You're gonna use those letters to show your authority to act on behalf of the estate so that you can marshal the assets of the estate, transfer title to real estate, access bank accounts, insurance company policies, whatever the case may be. Please make sure that you cooperate with Mr. Dowdy and get him the listing of the assets of your parents' estate, because he's gonna have 90 days to file an inventory with the court, okay?
Yes, sir.
And Judge, we have the documents signed and notarized, and thank you for your help this morning.
All right, I've signed both the orders and y'all are good to go, and let me know if y'all need anything else.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Judge. Have a good day and a good week. Stay dry.
Hmm.
Okay, they'll sign us out of there.
Read all what?
The emails.
Oh, I can.
Morning.
Morning, Judge.
All right, Jan, if I can get you to raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Hazel Godfrey. Is that her will?
That's her will.
And I'm gonna go back to, well, let me find it. The signature page, is that her signature?
Yes.
And after the date she made this will on January 4th of 2018, did she ever revoke it or amend it?
No.
All right, so y'all just get the proof of death and other facts to me, and I'll sign the order admitting the will to probate as immutable of title.
We'll do it, Judge. Thank you very much.
Thank
All right.
you.
Great day.
Good.
That took a long time.
Good to see you.
Y'all take care.